हाल ही में पहलगाम में हुए टूरिस्ट पर हमले के बाद ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री एक नई करवटें ले रही है। ऐसा ही एक प्रयास किया है एको होटल्स एंड रिजॉर्ट्स ने, जिन्होंने देवभूमि हरिद्वार में 3 नई प्रॉपर्टीज खोली हैं। एक है हरिद्वार में, एक है ऋषिकेश में और एक है तपोवन में। इसी के साथ यहाँ पर सुरक्षा का बड़ा इंतजाम है ताकि भारतीय टूरिस्ट सुरक्षित महसूस करे।
They are same. What differentiates is the service. What differentiates that is the product, and what differentiates is that how the guests are met in terms of the demands today, and how the owners have been dealt with. So this is how we want to differentiate our brand basically, and this is where the team expertise will come in, and this is where we have handpicked people who can deliver those aspects when it comes to owners. Rest all measures like from fire to security team 24/7, CCTV footage coverage with the GM will have on the phone, the security team will have the phone, the recordings. So we have deployed all the measures which is important. Yes, but in Haridwar, what was additionally we have done since we arrived on the Ganges, we have also have deployed a live guard there. So in case of any eventuality, so it was and that's the mandate there. So in any hotels on Ganges, you have to have a live guard. But since we also have barricaded, and barricading goes up to 7 feet. But you never know. Sometimes people want to be more adventurous after seeing them. So just in case that, so we have live guard available. We shut down the Ganges door around 7 PM so that nobody goes there.
दिल्ली में एको होटल्स एंड रिजॉर्ट्स ने अपनी नई प्रॉपर्टीज को पेश किया और साथ साथ वहां पर सुरक्षा इंतजामों की भी बात की। जैसे जल्द ही ऋषिकेश में हनुमान झूला खुलने वाला है और 4 धाम यात्रा भी शुरू होने वाली है।
Lakshman Jhula is closed down. I was there yesterday. So they're making India's first glass. It's all ready. So we are in June, by the way. And it's going to be a boost for everybody who's want to come and see this, because when I went there yesterday, I met a couple of them. So they're saying that by end of June we'll start this, and they're calling it as Hanuman Setu. Okay. So the reason they're saying Hanuman Setu is that because without Hanuman, you have Lakshman Jhula. So Lakshman Jhula will be preserved as a traditional historical bridge. They will not dismantle it. Next to Lakshman will come Hanumanji, and going forward is Ram, and then is Janaki. So boom in that region will be immense, and with Char Dham happening very soon, if you see the government is preparing. So I think the whole strategy was that we want to target that, and we don't want to miss the signal. That's one reason we're saying that all 3 hotels goes live by 1st May.
ऐसे में देवभूमि में टूरिस्ट की आवाजाही ज्यादा होने वाली है, तो उम्मीद है कि एको होटल्स एंड रिजॉर्ट्स की ये नए होटल्स देश में भारतीय पर्यटन को बढ़ावा दें। दिल्ली से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।